What's the difference between Centrum Silver and Centrum White? Centrum Silver and Centrum White are both multivitamin supplements, but they are formulated for different age groups. 1. Centrum Silver. Centrum Silver is specifically formulated for adults over 50 years old. It contains higher levels of vitamins and minerals that are important for maintaining health in older adults. Some of the key differences in the formulation of Centrum Silver include higher levels of vitamin D, vitamin B12, and calcium to support bone health and overall well-being in older individuals. 2. Centrum White. There is no specific product called Centrum White. It is possible that you may be referring to the regular Centrum multivitamin supplement. The regular Centrum multivitamin is a general dietary supplement for adults of all ages. It contains a balanced blend of vitamins and minerals to support overall health and well-being, but the levels of nutrients may be lower compared to Centrum Silver. In summary, Centrum Silver is specifically designed for adults over 50 years old with higher levels of certain nutrients to support the unique needs of older individuals, while Centrum White regular Centrum is a general multivitamin for adults of all ages.